Hello? Hello? You doing right? Ot, kokias.
Kaip tau bairis?
Susivėlus, ar ne?
Kaip tau bairis?
Na.
Nu, va to jau paskambinsiu, pasakysiu, kur otperdaliai šiek. Ir... Kurva! Jos nesigirdėjo.
Man patiko šitas. Aš tai tikrai girdėjau, man net širdis biški saptelėjo. Aš kurmis.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
That's great. Can I have a moment with you?
Yes, please.
All right. This is Hotel Poznan.
Yes, yes.
All right. Listen up. My name is Rolandas Gaidavičius.
Rolandas?
Yes, Gaidavičius. Can you spell that?
Yes.
What? Yes.
Rolandas?
Yes, and my surname is...
Yeah?
What is my surname?
Sorry, I don't know.
My surname is Gaidavičius. Can you write this, please?
Davičius?
No, it's Gaidavičius. G-A-I-D...
V?
A... No. Gaidavičius. I'm from Switzerland.
And I am friend. My name is Ichtiandras Putite. Please.
Sorry?
Ichtiandras Putite.
Yes, the second person that will be living in the room.
Ichtiandras Putite.
Vitiandas?
Ichtiandras.
Itiandas.
Yes. I-H-T...
Yes?
I...
Okay, it's all right.
Great. And surname is P-U...
P-U...
T...
Yes?
I...
Yeah?
T...
T?
And E.
E?
Can you spell that? Can you spell that for me, please? Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me, what is your name, please? Maybe I can speak to the manager. Because really, I think you don't care, really. Hello, do you hear me? Because I'm coming now to Hotel Poznan, and I really want to make sure you have a room, and I want a pre-registration.
Kas?
Kaito, va tokie draugai mano yra Lenkija, va tokie va.